In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to remove your exposed personal information from data brokers and people search sites using our data broker removal tool. Data brokers collect and sell personal details like your full name, home address, age, phone number, and even past locations, often without you ever knowing. Removing your information from these sites is one of the most important steps in your privacy journey, and that's exactly what our data broker removal tool is designed to do. To get started, you'll first create your PrivacyHawk account. While setting up your account, we'll ask for some personal information. This is only used to accurately match and identify your records in data broker databases so we can request their removal on your behalf. Once you've created your PrivacyHawk account and you've completed your first privacy scan, you'll see a detailed report showing exactly where we have found your information online. We scan some of the largest data broker databases to identify where your personal information is showing and what details are being exposed. Next, scroll down just below your scan results and locate the button that says Remove Me from All. From here, you'll be able to choose a protection plan. This gives you the option to select the plan that best fits your privacy and protection goals. And remember, data broker removal is just one of the tools included in our plans. Once you upgrade, removals begin right away. You'll see exposed listings move into the processing tab, which means we're actively working on getting your information removed. Most removals typically take 30 to 90 days depending on the data broker. And the best part? PrivacyHawk doesn't stop there. We run monthly scans to help ensure your data stays protected. If your information reappears or new listings are found, we automatically initiate new removal requests. And that's it. If you've activated data broker removal, congratulations. You've officially taken a major step toward protecting your personal data online while saving yourself hours of manual work with PrivacyHawk.